My friend had the engine check light come on and the fault code was P0420. He took it to the dealership and they said the catalytic converter needs to be replaced for $1,000. And when I heard about this, I said, whoa, wait a minute. Let me do some research before doing anything with this dealership. Turns out most of the people had the same issue and they only had to replace oxygen sensors. So I ordered upstream and downstream oxygen sensors for $200. And lo and behold, after swapping them out and clearing the fault code, the car was fixed. So as I always say, dealerships are stealerships. Don't let them fool you and rob your money. And let me show you how easy it is to replace the oxygen sensors step by step. So let's get right to it. First, let's pop the hood and get to the upstream O2 sensor. Removing the O2 sensor wiring. And using the oxygen sensor socket, removing the sensor completely, and this is a must-have tool in order to do this job. Out with the old and in with the new. And what you're seeing here is NEC's pre-coated onto the new sensor, and this might or might not come with your new sensor, so be mindful of that. And if and when you have to take the sensor off, it will be easier the next time. And yep, I am torquing this to 33 foot-pounds. Reconnecting the wire and mounting it back onto the housing. And that's it for the upstream. Let's get down to the downstream and lift the car up. And I am lifting it up from the front subframe there, as you see the hook for towing and hitching. And let me zoom in on the downstream oxygen sensor. Removing the wiring. And again using the oxygen sensor socket to remove the whole thing. Just like that, out with the old and in with the new. And same thing here, tightening it and torquing it to 33 foot-pounds. Rerouting the wire and reconnecting it. And alright, I just used my OBD2 scanner to clear the code, And I did drive about 30 miles after this, and it was fixed for good. So thank you for watching. Don't be fooled by dealerships. Save your money, do some research, and I'll see you next time.